If you've ever stood in your kitchen after a long day wondering whether to spend an hour cooking dinner or just order takeout again, you're not alone. The problem isn't usually a lack of recipes. It's a lack of time, energy, and convenience. That's exactly where pressure cookers promise to help. But with so many options available, does the Cosori Pressure Cooker 6 quart actually make life easier? Or is it just another appliance fighting for space on your countertop? The Cosori Pressure Cooker 6 quart is designed for busy families, meal preppers, beginners, and anyone looking to simplify home cooking without sacrificing quality. It combines multiple cooking functions into one machine, allowing you to pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, ferment, make rice, prepare soups, and even use sous vide cooking. The goal is simple: spend less time managing meals and more time enjoying them. Right away, the Cosori makes a strong first impression. The stainless steel exterior feels sturdy and premium without looking overly complicated. Unlike some kitchen appliances that feel bulky or intimidating, this one has a clean, modern design that fits naturally into most kitchens. The fingerprint-resistant finish is surprisingly useful in daily use because it keeps the cooker looking clean even after frequent handling. One of the standout features is the ceramic-coated inner pot. Compared to traditional metal cooking surfaces, it feels smoother and is less likely to have food sticking during cooking. In real-world use, that means less scrubbing afterward and a more pleasant cooking experience overall. The lid locking system is also beginner-friendly. Simply align the colored markers, twist, and you're ready to go. It's one of those small details that reduces frustration, especially for first-time pressure cooker owners. Performance is where this cooker really starts to justify its price. The 1100-watt heating system helps it build pressure quickly, reducing waiting time before cooking actually begins. Whether you're making shredded chicken, beef stew, rice, beans, or soups, meals that normally take hours can often be finished much faster. For people balancing work, family responsibilities, and meal prep, that time savings adds up quickly throughout the week. The pressure cooking results are consistently impressive. Meats come out tender, grains cook evenly, and soups develop rich flavor without spending hours simmering. The rice cooking function is particularly useful for households that regularly prepare rice but don't want a separate appliance dedicated to that task. The sauté function also allows you to brown ingredients directly in the pot before pressure cooking, which helps build flavor without creating extra dishes. Another area where Cosori clearly paid attention is safety. Pressure cookers can make some people nervous, especially if they've never used one before. The venting design on this model feels much more controlled than many competing units. The steam release is positioned thoughtfully, helping direct steam away from the user. Combined with the double-layer anti-scalding lid and multiple built-in safety systems, the entire cooking experience feels reassuring rather than intimidating. Noise levels are surprisingly reasonable. Outside of normal pressure building sounds and steam release, the cooker operates quietly enough that it won't dominate your kitchen. That's something many users appreciate during busy evenings when several things are happening at once. Cleaning is another major advantage. The dishwasher-safe lid, accessories, and inner pot significantly reduce post-meal cleanup. The widened gap around the cooking pot also makes wiping down the exterior easier than some competing models. If you've ever avoided using a kitchen appliance simply because cleaning it felt like a chore, this design addresses that problem well. If you found this review helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest product reviews. And if you'd like to check current pricing, availability, or any limited time discounts on the Cosori Pressure Cooker 6 quart, you'll find the link waiting in the description below.